Hey guys, it's Blake from Refined Elements. Today we're going to be looking at our Y-base legs. They are seamlessly TIG welded and they have a burnished nickel finish, and you'll see we also have a pecan tabletop up here.
All right, I hope you enjoyed this. This was actually a salvaged Texas pecan tree out of Uvalde, Texas, about 5 years ago that died from drought. So this is a desk for a client in Texas. Hope you enjoy it. We do lots of it. So if you're interested, holler out to us. Over and out.